Hey 4xe fans, today I'm going to be installing, thanks to my friend Max on Facebook, I'm going to be installing these Redline Tuning struts for the hood on my 21 Wrangler 4xe. So these aren't necessarily 4xe specific or anything, but this is a little project I have wanted to do forever. And these just came today, so we're going to throw these on and see how they work. So you definitely don't want to lose your 10mm socket when you have Jeep Wrangler, because everything under here is 10mm, and that includes the one that you're going to be removing for the bracket to go in. There is a right hand and left hand bracket that is used for this thing, and it's pretty easy to tell which one is right hand and left hand, because as you can see, that makes perfect sense for that to go there. And we'll do the same thing over on the other side. And right there is what that bracket looks like on the driver's side of the vehicle. And this will, my little mount will there and then attach to that right there. All right, so the instructions for the top part of these arms say to measure 2.5 inches up from the lip of the hood and 19 1/4 and mark a mark there. And so that's our mark on that side, and we'll do that on the other side. We have our mark on both sides, so now we're going to mark where those brackets go and do some hole drilling. All right, what you can see here is I have marked the 2 holes that correspond with the bracket, and I'm going to drill those right there. This is the part that makes me nervous, because you can see that piece is not terribly thick. I don't want to push too hard as I'm drilling so I don't damage the outer skin of that hood. And what we're going to end up doing is, I have never owned a rivet kit in my life. So I actually went out and bought a little, I don't know, $18 rivet kit that comes with the right size rivets and everything that I'll need. And I don't know, maybe I'll find use for that down the road too. But kind of cool that I have a rivet kit now, but we're going to see how this goes with drilling these holes. All right, that actually went way easier than I thought it was going to. That piece is not as thick as I thought it was. And I actually did buy a brand new bit while I was there, because my bits are always dull. I always keep them around way too long and don't sharpen them. So I didn't want to use one of my old bits and be pushing and actually do damage on the outside. So we're gonna try the rivet and see how this goes. Well, I just have to say congratulations to me on my first 2 rivets I've ever done in my life. And there they are. And that strut is now actually holding the hood. And this guy is now no longer needed on that side anyway. So we'll come over here, drill our holes, and set our rivets for the other side. I did have to try it out here, and I gotta say it is pretty cool the way that thing just tucks right in the side there. It's a well-designed kit, I gotta say. And it's almost enough to push up the hood just by itself. So I imagine both of them together will be really cool. And let's get the other side done. Holes are marked, holes are drilled, and there it is. The entire project is done. I've got them in on both sides. And let's test it out together for the first time. Let's see where it actually, it picks it up as soon as the latch is free. Oh, and it's even got like a slow part there at the end. So that is really cool. That's a really nice, I really like that design. But it has the slow touch up at the top. And you can feel it in the shocks. Very cool. So that is the Redline strut install. And I wonder if I put the wrong ones on the wrong side, because they'd be right side up if I did them the right way. I might have to switch that, but anyway, it's done. Thanks for watching. Take care.